Hey guys, if you have just purchased the Evolve R2 controller and you need to swap out your version 1 motor controller for the version 2 motor controller, I would strongly advise you to watch this video because I actually encountered some issues when I was doing the swap. Ignore these two people behind me because it's late now, they refuse to sleep, I can't do anything. So do watch if you are in the process of swapping out your motor controller. Hey guys, this is the new Evolve Skateboards R2 remote, and this is the new motor controller that I just received, and this is the old controller. The only reason why I'm making this video right now is because I actually encountered some issues. In the original video that Evolve posted, they mentioned that you with a small L-shaped Allen key, you would then be able to put this and then put the Allen key underneath and slowly pull out the clips. Like for these ones here, for the Hall 1 and Hall 2 sensors, now these two sensors are the one that's a little bit trickier because for the old board, if you notice, I actually added like a very thin coat of Corrosion X to make sure that I protect the electronics. So what I realized is that with that thin coat of oil, removing these Hall 1 and Hall 2 sensors was a bit of a problem. So essentially what I tried to do was to use that L-shaped Allen key. I decided to try to remove the clip from underneath, but even then it was still extremely tricky. So I would strongly advise you guys, if you put a layer of let's say a Corrosion X or a Nano Protect, to not try and pull, because these tiny little wires here could be affected, or it could be a little bit greasy. You wouldn't want to tug on these. What I would suggest is a little hack. Remove these screws over here. Pull this for the old one, and you would have a better access to the Hall 1 and Hall 2 sensors that way, so that you do not damage these skinny little wires here. So please remember to take note that if you have to swap out your old controller for the new one, and if you have any difficulty with the Hall 1 and Hall 2 sensors, do not try and pull it, because the wires here are actually really tiny or very skinny. Take note also that the battery switch wires and the UART wires for the Gen 1 Carbon GT is a little bit thicker than the Hall 1 and Hall 2 sensors, so they should be able to tolerate a little bit more abuse. The power switch is a little bit different as well. The older one looks like, the version 1 looks like this. So it mates perfectly with the first generation of Carbon GT batteries. So I guess these are the minor differences that you find in the version 1 and version 2 controllers. This is the board, fully assembled. I'm really liking the deadman switch. I think it's a very good safety feature. Very smooth. So basically you squeeze, and then you go. No squeeze, no movement. So yeah, that basically concludes the